In this video, we will compare Cursor versus Windsurf. When it comes to AI-powered coding editors, Cursor and Windsurf stand out to be two highly advanced options. Designed to streamline development workflows, Cursor is tailored for developers looking for a powerful, all-in-one editor that combines AI-assisted coding with intuitive interfaces and integrations. Its features like auto-completion, code generation, and real-time collaboration makes it ideal for both beginners and experienced coders. Cursor supports multi-languages and frameworks, enhancing productivity with its ability to handle various coding environments. The editor's AI-powered suggestions are content-aware, helping developers write code fast with minimal errors. On the other hand, Windsurf offers a more specialized, AI-enhanced code experience, focused on creating intelligent code snippets, debugging support, and performance optimization. Windsurf AI is designed to deeply understand your code structure and suggest improvements, particularly in terms of efficiency and code quality. Its ability to perform highly, bottlenecks, and recommend optimization makes it an excellent choice to developers working on large-scale critical projects. In summary, if you're seeking a versatile, AI-feature-rich editor with strong collaboration and code-generous features, Cursor is the best choice. However, if you're focused on optimization, debugging, and improving your efficiency, Windsurf stands out as the best. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.